Hi, this is the example of map function. Here we are calling map function an array which has elements 1 to 3. For each element I in array, we are multiplying with 2 and the resultant array would be 2, 4 and 6. This is another example. For each element of I of array, we call this method addstr, which just has functionality printing this string. Value of array element is value of array element is 1, where value of array element is 2, value of array element is 3. Map is a very powerful function by which we can provide a lot of functionality calling very different kinds of methods on array. Thank you.